Howdy crew, today we'll be going on a tour of the MPB welding supply and equipment shop and warehouse. Let's get to it. Right before the tour of the shop and warehouse, I do want to say thank you so much to MPB Welding Supplies and Equipment, all the fine gentlemen that work there, Gus, Bobby, Daniel. Thank you to everyone there for all the amazing deals you've been giving me, all the time you've given me for quotes, figuring things out for the welding rig. I really appreciate it. I'm very excited to show the tour of the back of the shop, the warehouse. Let's get to it.
We got you guys MIG wire. We got you guys 33 pound spools, 11 pound spools. We carry the 2-pounders. All you guys is flux core. We carry the 10 pounders. We also have the 33 pounders for you guys. We also carry the name brands if you guys are interested in like the Lincoln. If you guys don't really care about the name, and if you guys want the performance, we got the Wilco as well. Literally half of the price of the Lincoln.
That has my cell phone number, so if it's after hours, I usually don't answer the phone, but if you call my cell phone number and I'm here, I'll answer it. Just remind me a little of the conversation we have, because I talk to so many people.
Again, we got all that name brand as well. We got the Lincoln, the rods, we got the Washington alloys. We carry a variety for you guys. If you guys are on a budget, we'll work out deals for you guys. We're good with that. Basically, all your guys is grinding wheels, cut off wheels. We carry the name brand Pearl, United Abrasive.
Love Pearl.
We got our own brand, our own manufacturer.
All right.
Yeah, go ahead.
Love that made in USA.
Yes, sir. This is a brand. It's been really good to us by the name of Rourke. They put our own private label, and
awesome.
it's been pretty good. We haven't had any negative feedback with it whatsoever. We got grinding wheels, flapper discs, cut off wheels of them. Yeah,
that's awesome. That's great. Y'all got your own.
We got all your guys' torches, the torch handles, the cutting attachments. We got the big 33 inchers. We got the small 100s, like the lighter duty. Little bit of everything. We got the heavy duty as well. All you guys' jackets. We got all the leathers up here. The cottons, if it's very hot in the summer, if you guys don't want the bulkiness of the leather, we got the cottons as well. The hybrids, these ones are very popular on my longshoremen. These ones are been my top sellers for them. We got work shirts as well. Welding blankets. We used to have the welding curtains right there. I'll go show you my welding curtains.
Sounds good.
Got all you guys' gloves.
And I know you guys cover everyone because the #1 welding shop, you got to come here.
Yes, sir. We got all the name brand Victors. We got the flow meters, the regulators. We got the ESOP as well. All you guys is the TIG welders, the tungstens. We got gray, purple, green, gold, blue, red. We got the rainbow here.
Definitely.
We got a variety of the 10-pack, or if you guys are a little bit on the budget, we got the 3-pack as well.
Awesome.
We got the Norden. These ones are my top sellers for the people up in the port. We got the 4.5, 6 inchers, 7 inchers. Grinding wheels as well. We got some pre-made leads for the people in the colleges, if like the LBCC, the Cerritos College program, all them. We set them up with a 250 amp stinger, 10-foot lead, and their melt connector right there. Linko brand.
Perfect.
We also got their pre-made ground clamps. If they're having any issues with their ground clamps, if they're not getting a good what's the word? A good connection, we got the ground clamps right there. The journeyman kits, the Victor. That's down. This is the heavy duty stuff right here. got your acetylene regulator, your oxygen regulator, your cutting attachment, your torch handle, and they do throw in a couple of accessories for you guys. They throw in a welding tip and some cutoff tips for you.
Pretty stuff.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Gus tries to keep his inventory pretty up to date. Yeah, we got the Edge series, those ESOP brands. We got the oxygen, the acetylene regulators.
What I love is that y'all don't carry anything and everything. You carry the good stuff.
Yeah,
It's not the bad stuff.
Yeah, I mean, we cater to you guys. So if you guys want a generic brand, we could go ahead and order it for you guys. If you guys want the name brand, like the Victor, the Millers, the Lincoln, we could get a hold of that
For sure.
No problem whatsoever.
But the great part is the stuff that falls apart, you just don't carry. You carry the stuff that lasts.
Correct.
And that's what I really appreciate.
We also do all of your guys' refills here. We got our refill station. We got the argon CO2 mix for your guys' MIG welding. We got the oxygen. We got the nitrogen. We got the straight argon for your guys' TIG welders. We do propane. We do helium. We do acetylene. We resell cylinders, so if you guys are interested in buying out some cylinders, we do cylinders as well. We got CO2. We cater to bars, shows. They do the CO2s for like the special effects. That's what they use those for. We got all your guys' welding leads as well. We got the 3-aught, 2-aught, number 4, 1-aught. Number 2 cable, number 1 cable. We could custom cut them as well. If you guys need 10-foot sections, 100-foot sections, 50-foot sections, we could custom make them here as well. And we got some more rod up here. We got carry again ESOP, Lincoln, little bit of everything. Yeah, we got all your guys' wires as well. The name brand stuff, the Lincoln. All your guys' TIG filler metals from the stainless, aluminum, mild steel. We even have that rare stuff, the titanium as well.
That is the rare stuff.
Some soldering for the 0%, 5% of that copper. Yeah, a little bit of everything. We got your guys' welding carts as well. If you guys are interested in a cart for your guys' tanks. We got all the tanks here, the small carry-on luggage ones, the acetylenes, the Bs, the 2As, a little bit of everything. Tanks. We got the small 40s, 55s, 80s, 125s, 150s. We carry the industrial sizes, the 200s, the 300s. Got you guys' chop saws. We got the replacement blades, the actual unit. We got foot pedals for you guys' the TIG welders.
Wish y'all would have that out. I went and bought a chop saw and everything. Wish I'd known y'all sold chop saws. I didn't know that.
Yeah, nah. Again, our showroom is kind of so limited.
Right.
So if you don't see anything in our showroom, let us know, and more than likely we have it in our warehouse shelf.
Sounds
and
great.
if we can, and if we don't have it, we could certainly order it for you. It might take us about 3 days, 4 days, depending on if they have it in stock or not. But we could certainly get a hold of anything for you.
Definitely. And as I've mentioned some of the other videos, y'all do great. If you find something but y'all know you can get a better price, y'all give me a call back 2 weeks, say, hey, we need another week. Give me another call back, and y'all get at that price.
We try to get a best possible pricing for you guys.
And I really appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem. This is our manufacturer that we've been dealing with, the Forney brand. It's been pretty good for us. Again, if you guys are looking into getting that name brand, the Miller, the Lincolns, the ESOPs, the Hobarts, we could certainly get a hold of them. Plasma cutters, the Hypertherm, the Thermodynamics, we could certainly get a hold of them as well.
Perfect.
All the name brands, we could get a hold of them. And we got the smaller chop saws as well, the 7-inchers, the 14-inchers. We got all your guys' gloves here as well. Our showroom, again, is so limited, so we usually have them on top of a shelf. We got your guys' MIG gloves, the worker gloves, all the grinding wheels. We got all your guys' welding curtains on the other side, hard hats, face shields, a little bit of everything again.
Perfect.
All your guys' welding carts here as well.
I appreciate you giving me the walkthrough.
Ain't no problem. Some issues feeding properly. We got your guys' MIG liners for the Lincoln, Hobarts, Millers. We carry them.
Perfect.
We also carry out your guys' consumables.
That's what he said. Oh, Bobby will come.
We got your guys' nozzles, the insulators, the gas diffusers, your guys' tips. We got the drive rolls for your guys' MIG machines. We got these back caps. These ones are interchangeable. So this manufacturer, Profax, they make guns that if you have a Miller machine and if we have a Lincoln gun, they make the back interchangeable where I could take off the back end of the Lincoln and make it into a Miller.
Awesome.
That's the beauty about this manufacturer, the Profax. They're
That's really
interchangeable.
cool.
Yeah.
All the guys complain about if you have a Lincoln this and a Miller that, it's such a pain.
No, and that's something that we do. Suppose if we don't have the original the Miller gun, and if we have a Lincoln gun and we got the Miller back end, we'll custom make it for you so you can fit your guys' welder ready to rock and roll the same day.
Perfect. That's the way to do it.
Yes, sir. We got all your guys' fittings. So if you guys got some hoses to repair, we got the ferrules, the nuts for the oxygen acetylene, the nipples. We also got some of the nipples for your guys' the regulators. Sometimes those regulators they blow, and the nut to secure it gives up on them, and we got the replacements for them depending on what you got. Yeah. Also got the white connectors for your guys' oxygen acetylene. All your guys' TIG consumables, your collet bodies, your guys' cups, gas lenses, insulators, gaskets.
Have to stay on top of the
For your guys' oxygen acetylene, we also carry the propane, propylene. We got the name brands. Let me turn on this light. We got the Millers, we got the Lincolns, we got the little bit of everything. We got the Profax. Yeah, these are just some TIG consumables. The hoses. We also got your guys' TIG guns up here.
Perfect.
The hoses, the gas lines for that. These are the tungsten, the 3-pack tungsten. Well, we got your guys' torch. The plasma torch, your guys' plasma consumables, the nozzles, the electrodes, the O-rings, all that good stuff. We also got like the name brand, the Victors, the welding tips for the Victors. We got that as well.
Perfect. The place to go to. No doubt about that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Daniel, for the walkthrough of the shop, the warehouse. Thank you to Bobby for all the help in the back as well. Great conversations. And thank you again to Gus. I really appreciate all the help you give me. All the fine guys at MPB Welding Supplies Equipment. They've just really put a lot of effort into helping me out whenever I had questions. They'd answer them. And if they didn't know something offhand, they'd look it up. And I find it very respectable that they make sure everything's right. I've gone in quite a few times lately just for quotes, didn't buy anything, didn't even buy a small somethings, except for the gold lens that y'all have seen recently. And they're ready to just sit down, go over quotes, and go through everything. And I highly, highly appreciate that. I really respect that. They treat their customers like people, like family. They don't treat them like numbers. They will sit down. There's been times going in there and just talking it up with all of them. And I really appreciate that. It's that down-home feeling. And I've never felt that anywhere else for welding supply shops. It's just non-existent. Whether it be small welding shops or the larger ones, I've not had any experiences like I have here at MPB Welding Supplies and Equipment. They just always done right by me. So if you're anywhere in Southern California, I highly recommend checking them out. Be sure, come on down and pet the cat. You can't forget that. But enjoy yourself there. They're always willing to answer any questions, which I really appreciate because I always go in with questions, just checking over things, making sure everything on my list are good before buying them. And they take the time to ensure that everything is right. And I just highly respect them, really appreciate all the help they give me. So thank you again, Gus, Bobby, Daniel, all the help today. Really appreciate it. There'll be more videos coming up of the equipment that I bought there very soon. Hope y'all enjoy.